This is HOVERAir X1 PRO, and today I'll show how you can enable or disable the automatic firmware download option on this drone. So you'll need to start by launching the HOVERAir X1 mobile application on your smartphone, and then enter the Hover tab or Hover section at the bottom. From here, open the Hover settings, scroll this page all the way to the bottom, and tap on the firmware update field or option. And at the bottom of the firmware update page, you'll find the automatic download toggle, which you can switch off if you do not want to automatically download new firmware versions, or switch on if you want the opposite. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.